What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. We back at it again with another video today. It's your boy Clef Mercado, and we back at it on this good Tuesday evening. As you can see, I got the doors wide open. The reason for that, this is actually one of my most requested videos. A lot of you guys out there want to know, how does Katzkin leather stack up to OEM leather? And today we go break that down, and I'm going to actually give you a couple reasons why I think Katzkin is a lot better than the OEM options that come in the RT or the Scat Pack or any of that for any matter. This is a real premium leather right here, real premium leather. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you smash the thumbs up right now. You watching the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up for your boy. That helps the video be seen by more people on YouTube and help crack that algorithm. And make sure you go ahead and drop the comment. But as stated, I'm not gonna take too much of y'all time. We gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we jump into it, look, I'm just show y'all this view, man. It's one of my favorite filming locations up here, man. You can see the whole strip skyline back here. It's nice, man. It's nice back here, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, a lot of y'all out there have questions. Y'all want to know, how is the Katzkin leather? What's the quality of the actual leather? And also, it's a lot of confusion too, man. I don't know if it's, you know, some of you, it's only been a few, so I'm not really gonna speak on it like that. But you got a couple little trolls, you know, who like to jump in the comments on my last video where I actually revealed the Katzkin leather, and they pretty much, you know, say little slick stuff like, oh, nice seat covers, as if it's an actual seat cover, when in all actuality, if you take a look at it, it's definitely not a seat cover by any means. This actually replaces your factory cloth. Now, for those of y'all who've been around in the beginning of the actual channel, y'all know when I first got this car, my car had black cloth interior, black and gray, whatever. I can't even remember. I didn't got rid of the cloth already, but it had factory cloth. So the misconception that a lot of people out there have is that Katzkin is just some type of cover that just goes over your actual seats. No, it's nothing like that, bruh. Katzkin is actually going to replace the actual cloth, or if you have, I'm pretty sure they replace leather too. If you got old beat up leather in your car, they'll go ahead and replace that out too. But for the most part, for people who have cloth and you want to go ahead and jump into that leather, get that leather upgrade, that's what Katzkin does. Katzkin completely changes your car's interior. So the cloth is removed. So let's just go ahead and remove that misconception. Now, as far as the quality of this leather is impeccable. I'm gonna be actually turning my camera around a lot so y'all can see, but I want to show y'all, man, the quality of this leather. Hold up, man, it's a little tricky. I gotta bring that light down so y'all can get a better look. But as you can see, the quality of the leather is pretty much impeccable. It's super soft, very plush, and this is a real premium leather right here. All right, so now I just want to give y'all an actual full, let me step back a little bit. I want to give y'all a full view of the actual leather so you guys can kind of see what I mean by premium. Now, they do have the basic packages, which are just one tone, but I opted for two-tone, as you can see, black and red with the black stitching in mind. But they do have single tone options. But from what I've seen, pretty much with all of the actual leather packages with Katzkin, you're gonna get, all of it is gonna be premium like this. Now, as far as what you get, as you can see with mine actually came with the doors. I got my center console done and everything, and I want to get a close up on this so you guys can kind of see. This leather is impeccable. Like, it doesn't feel cheesy. It's super soft on the hand. And it's a much better option than OEM in my opinion. Especially this. This is extremely soft right here. So it's definitely in my opinion going to be worth the actual upgrade. And it's easy to keep these seats clean as well. Pretty much all you have to do, what they recommend is basic like soap and water, but I use an actual cleaner from Chemical Guys, which is a light soap solution, and I kind of just wipe my seats down to get the the grease and the jean stains off of the actual leather every now and then. But it's pretty simple and it's pretty easy to keep these seats clean. So as far as the actual feel of this leather, I just want to kind of let y'all, let me get the camera right a little bit, man. I want y'all to kind of get an understanding. Gotta move my back a little bit like that, but yeah, man, the feel of this leather is actually impeccable. I don't like, it's gonna be kind of hard to explain, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys out there who have like factory leather that come with Dodge or Chrysler, y'all kind of know already that the leather, it kind of wears away after years, and the leather quality is not really I'm gonna say it's substandard for the most part. With Katzkin, let me go ahead and flip this around real quick. Like I said, man, everything is premium, it's soft, it's plush, and it doesn't feel cheap by any means. Like, you definitely know for a fact that you sitting in a premium product, completely different than that OEM leather. So it's definitely worth the upgrade, especially if you have cloth or if you have just that basic leather. Honestly, in my honest and humble opinion, it's worth the upgrade. It's definitely worth the upgrade. All right, so I'm about to sit down in this car because this wind is blowing and it's a little chilly out here right now. But yeah, man, like I said, this video I just kind of wanted to get straight to the point because a lot of you guys had questions about the Katzkin and how I feel about the Katzkin. I definitely feel it's worth the actual upgrade. Now, another question that I get regarding my Katzkin, and you guys always have to remember when you ask this question, when you ask me this question, you have to recognize that my seats are 100% custom. So it's not like the actual standard and basic leather that you can get. I'm not going to say the leather quality. What I mean by that, as you can see, I have this diamond stitching and I have this two-tone. So I spent $2,300 and that was a good price. Now, a lot of the times the actual dealerships, they'll quote you an astronomical price, so it's better to actually go directly through Katzkin and they'll hook it up. A lot of you guys don't know the way that it works, so I'm going to explain that process. Let me just step out real quick so I can kind of switch it up a little bit, let y'all see from the outside how good that look real good, right? Look real good. But the way that it works, so when you place your order, when you contact Katzkin and you place your order, so the way it works, no matter what state, no matter what city you in. Now, I can't speak 100% on how broad their actual locations are, but I believe they do have a wide range of locations where you could actually get the install done. So the way that it works, you contact Katzkin, boom, you guys come up with the quote, you tell them exactly what you want. They go ahead, you pick your leather, you pick if you want single tone, double tone, you pick your favorite color, blase, blase, blase. So once you go ahead and you do that, Katzkin will then build the kit specifically for the model car that you have, and then once the kit is done, they'll actually send it to a authorized installer that they have within their network to actually complete the install. So for me, I'm right here in Las Vegas. Once Katzkin got the leather kit completed for me, their actual authorized installer was in the city of Henderson. So I took it to Henderson, to the shop. Like I said, they're 100% authorized. They work directly with Katzkin, so they're gonna do a good job. At least I can say with mine. As once again, I'm gonna just show y'all again because it's all about the leather in this video. As you can see, the quality is impeccable. They did a hell of a job. They did a hell of a job on this. So that's pretty much it, man. That's the way that it works. In my honest opinion, once again, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Go ahead and open this door from the other side. I just want y'all to see it's definitely worth the upgrade. The quality is impeccable. I actually got this done in late June. Yep, I got it done in late June. So it's been about 6 months now, and everything is pretty much exactly the way that I got it. Everything is exactly the way that I got it. Nothing is none of the leather is bending. Excuse me, y'all. This wind is killing me right now. I'm about to jump in this car real quick, bruh. Whew. Yeah, first we go from summertime heat. Now we get into these chilly fall and winter seasons out here in Vegas, man. Excuse me, it's cold right now. That's why I got this sweater on. But yeah, man, everything is pretty much still up to par. Everything is impeccable. You just want to make sure you take care of the leather. That's it, man. Just do the basics. Just clean it. You know, you don't have to clean it all the time, but you know, every maybe week, something like that. When you wash your car, when you bust your car down, just go ahead and do a light coat and just clean your leather and be happy, man. Just take care of what you got. It's definitely worth the investment. It's definitely a great investment because, man, like I said, all it takes is just something subtle and small like this. Even though a lot of people may not consider this to be small and subtle, but to me, it's small and subtle. All it takes is something small like this, and that completely transforms the look of your car. Completely transforms the look of your car. And that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to break it down like that, let you guys know Katzkin is definitely worth it. In my opinion, it's better than OEM leather. What I typically see in OEM Dodge and Chrysler leather, you know, years, man. I'm trying to get up out this wind, y'all. My bad, but years on down the line. And honestly, it might just depend on the owner and depend on how they actually take care of it. But I see a lot of cracking and a lot of deteriorating in the actual quality of the OEM leather. So far, when it comes to Katzkin, I know I only had mine 6 months, but trust me, I did a ton of research. I watched a lot of videos. As long as you take care of this leather will definitely take care of you, and this leather will last a long time, man. And that's pretty much go wrap it up for the video. So if y'all new to the channel, once again, make sure you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, man. Smash the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the community. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I hope all of y'all out there had a nice and happy holiday. That's the reason why I didn't drop a video on Friday, man. I was celebrating Thanksgiving. I was stuffed, leftovers, big gumbo. I cooked gumbo, so I had to get my grub on, man. So and I was enjoying my 2 days off. So that's the reason why I didn't drop a video last Friday. But we back at it. It's a new week. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all stay safe out there, and y'all have a blessed day.